Hey, Frank Ahearn, privacy expert and blackmail negotiator. I'm going to talk about extramarital affairs, toxic relationships, dangerous relationships, paid for relationships, and how to exit the smart way. And typically, these relationships do have the ability to turn into stalking or blackmail. And the big mistake individuals make when they're exiting or they want to exit is they just cut the ties and that's it. And you got to remember, there's somebody that, who may depend on you financially, and you brought them up to this financial situation, and now you're pulling out the rug below them. And so that causes anger. It can cause, the desire for revenge, to hurt you, many different emotions, and blackmail as well. The extramarital affairs also, you enter it, and most married men are just looking for fun. They're not looking for, quote, a relationship or emotions or anything to go beyond that. And the next thing you know, the other person might be, they fell in love with you. And so you've created or entered a relationship where the boundaries of the relationship has changed. It's no longer about just a dark, secret affair, but now it's about somebody who fell in love with you and you want to end it. And that can cause a lot of problems, such as stalking or this emotional darkness where they just don't want to let go. So before you end any of these relationships, you have to think about, the damage that could be done, as far as, what content do they have on you? Do they have compromising content, like compromising photos, videos, text messages? Do they have digital, payments from you? What is it they know about you, and what could they use against you? And that's a big thing to consider before you exit. And the other question is, will they actually pull the trigger and go nuclear? And so what I do is I evaluate the situations, the person, and recognize the potential danger marks, if anything. But what I also do is I take over, I pose as you, and I diffuse the blackmail, I diffuse the threat, I diffuse the heavy duty emotions. And what I do is just kind of blow the steam out of the whole case by, tiring it with stalling and excuses and things of that nature. And so what eventually happens is these individuals walk away recognizing they're not going to get what they want or need. So if you need help, and the truth is, I pose as man, I pose as women, and the predator never knows. So if you need help, my name is Frank Ahearn. I can help, and take care.